Movies are to buildings as films are to architecture. There are plenty of buildings in this world, but there aren't nearly enough pieces of architecture.
I think often in a building, we create these storylines in buildings. The building itself tells a story, and the story is only realized as you actually move through the space.
The show begins at the sidewalk, and the show continues from the moment that you enter a building until the time you leave. And that everything that goes on within that building is there to support and be a part of an experience.
My goal is to participate in as many films and as many pieces of architecture as I can, because that's where the learning is, that's where the living is, and that's what keeps me motivated to keep my creativity and my inspiration.